All right, friends. We learned about vowels in the last video. Do you remember how we say them?
Yes, A-E-I-O-U.
Great job. Now, vowels are really important, but we need other letters to make words too. Those other letters are called consonants. Can you say consonants with me?
Consonants.
Consonants are like the helpers of the vowels. They help us make more sounds and words. Letters like B, C, D, and F are consonants. Let's try saying some words with them. When I say the word ball, the letter B at the start is a consonant. Can you say ball with me?
Ball.
Great job. How about the word cat? The C sound in cat is a consonant too. Let's try cat.
Cat.
Wow, you're getting it. Consonants like B, C, D, and F help make words sound clear. Let's try another one. Dog. The D in dog is a consonant too. Can you say dog?
Dog.
Awesome. So we need both vowels and consonants to make words like ball, cat, and dog. Let's play a quick game. I'll say a word and you tell me if it starts with a vowel or a consonant. Here we go. What about fish? Does it start with a vowel or a consonant?
It's consonant.
Yes, F is a consonant. How about umbrella? Does it start with a vowel or consonant?
It starts with a vowel.
Great job. U is a vowel. You're so smart. I'm going to say some words, and you tell me if you hear a consonant. Ready? The word is ball.
The B in ball is a consonant.
Now the word is cat.
The C in cat is a consonant.
Next, the word is dog.
The D in dog is a consonant too.
Wow, friends! You did such an amazing job learning about consonants today. Let's remember, consonants are special letters other than vowels. They help us say words like ball, cat, and dog. And now, you know how to find consonants in all kinds of words. Thank you. Goodbye.